All right, hey everyone, this is part 2 of how to set up your profile. So, the last part here is testimonials. These testimonials show up in two places. One within this workflow, A105 -04, when lead opts in to a checkout page, but they do not actually purchase. So, here at the end of this sequence, we're sending them an email and telling them, hey, if you're still on the fence, check out some of the experiences that our customers in the past have had. And then that's where these custom values, where these customer testimonials come in. So that's one location. Secondly, we also have them at the bottom of the review pages to show that, hey, this is what our clients have said, this is why they like us, and that's why you should like us too. So when all you have to do to set this up is go to the set up your profile, the testimonial section, and then all you're going to do is copy and paste custom testimonials that you have. So in customer testimonial 1, you'll place one testimonial. Here you'll place another, and then just enter the names of those clients who've left the review, and then go ahead and press save and continue. You're all set.